Hi everyone, welcome to Geek New Zealand. Today we'll unbox and check out Reolink's 1140p Super HD dual band Wi-Fi internal security camera C1 Pro. So let's get into it. Reolink's C1 Pro 114p security camera allows you to experience Super HD videos and images in resolution of 2560 into 1140, which is much clearer and sharper than 1080p and 720p. Up to 105-degree wide viewing angle and advanced light visions, you can see whatever is happening at home anytime. C1 Pro offers high quality infrared light vision technology. The infrared night vision range is as long as 40 feet, which is around 12 meters in dark, giving you 24/7 surveillance. Reolink C1 Pro indoor security camera features two-way audio streams, built-in microphone and speaker, so you can talk to elders, kids, babysitters, pets to make sure they're doing well at home. With 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz dual band Wi-Fi available, this 2T to R MIMO antennas, C1 Pro 1140p Wi-Fi surveillance camera enables no signal loss and interference. Setup is very quick and easy. C1 Pro HD pan tilt and Wi-Fi camera also comes with a wide rotating angle of 355 degrees horizontally and 105 degrees vertically, so you can see every part of your home. Easy pan and tilt control. Camera records and saves motion detected videos on your inserted micro SD card. It supports up to 64 GB. You can choose specific motion setting zones to monitor any area you want and set up motion detection sensitivity to reduce false alarms. Final words, I've been using Reolink C1 Pro for many weeks now and I found it really very useful and very easy to use. I talked to my daughter while the C1 Pro when not at home, and interaction is smooth. Quality of the video and sound is perfect. I've tested the motion alerts and they work fine. If you have pets at home or elders, or you want to keep an eye or just want to talk to someone at home, definitely recommended. Like always, I will post all the details about the product in the description of the video, so please do check it out. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe my channel, and please keep sending me your review requests and I will try my best to do them. Thank you.